Here we got a little gas spray coupe. It runs really good. It's been setting. It's gonna need a battery, so we got our jumper on it. And so we got a side shield off of it so we can let the jumper keep on it. And but looks like it's unfolding nicely. Runs very smooth. So that's all the got it up and down. Manually outfold these outside booms. We're gonna call these 60-foot booms. I measure 29 to the center, but it probably sprays out past that. Booms on this thing are really good, really smooth. This is a non-factory weld right here. I kind of expected to see that on some of these places because I haven't had one, never had one that was welded. But I don't think it is on this side. But you see good straight booms. It is a gas motor. It's got that Volkswagen gas motor in it, I think. Very straight, very smooth operating. It's got the tank, poly tanks on it. This is a 200-gallon tank, 1851 hours showing. It's got the side shield that we only got it off because we got to run our cables on it. All the screens. Here's some pressure gauges. There's some extra shafts because you got to hook and unhook those shafts if you're going to tow it. Spray tips. All that's going to come with it, guys. Let's even got the books in the cab, guys. Definitely going to have to buy a battery for it. Other than that, everything seems to move like it should. Pretty nice little unit. You'll see some little bitty non-factory weld patches in places where they, you know, because those welds break in the factory positions, and I saw that patch on the right side. Other than that, it's very straight when it's unfolded. I think he said the brakes were working on this one okay. We had one the other day, they weren't. This one here, seems like the brakes are working okay. Good run, a little deal. I'd say it hadn't been out of production very long. Most farmers have outgrown these machines, but I tell you what, if you're a small operator and you got a use and you make that phone call and you're too small for them, you're back on the list, you may want to think about a sprayer.